Guys, I've just lifted up my giant Primark bag to move it out of the way. And that happened. I didn't even get to take my cute little photo of me holding the bag. The bag is ripped. I'm not taking it as an omen. You know, it's not a sign of things to come. I'm sure this video will go very well otherwise. But yeah, what a way to start. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then just welcome. Thank you for choosing to watch my video today. I upload 3 times a week, all about, well, Monday is Motivation Monday. That's all about cleaning, organising, sort of anything to get you motivated for the week. Wednesday, I normally do just like a day in the life sort of mum vlog. Friday, I do whatever I fancy. And today it's this. So yesterday, me and my youngest boy popped into Primark, and I didn't go with the intention of doing a haul, but I did get some really cute little bits, so I thought, oh, do you know what, I'm going to film that tomorrow, because why not, right? And then we also just popped into H&M afterwards, and I ended up getting a few really cute little bits from there as well. So this is mainly Primark, but there is some H&M in there also. Before I begin, again, if you're new, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. Just reached my goal of 20,000 YouTube subscribers, which I'm very, very pleased with. Still on the up, so don't forget to click subscribe before you go anywhere else. But yeah, let's get going. So I'm going to start with what I'm actually wearing, because this is part of the haul, but it is so hot and I really wanted to wear this dress. If you're watching this recently to me uploading it, you'll be well aware that we are in the midst of a heat wave. And I've said this before on my channel, I'm no fan of a heat wave. Me and heat don't get on. We're not friends. I am fair-skinned, blue-eyed. Like, I am not made for the summer. I'm a winter soul. Autumn, winter, my favorite time of year. Don't get me wrong, I love a summer holiday. Like, this heat is very, very great when you're abroad on holiday. When you're at home trying to get on with daily life with a baby as well, and a moody 5-year-old, the heat is not your friend. So anyway, it's really another really hot sticky day today, and this was perfect. So this, such a bargain. I was just looking through H&M and picked this up on a whim, and turns out it was in the sale for £7. Bits all over it, but how cute is this? It's just a really basic maxi, so you can't quite see, but it does go all the way down. Top, it's got like this just little elastic bit across the top and the little thin straps. I couldn't believe it was £7. Just a really easy throw on dress. The only thing is it wasn't an extra small, so initially I put it down because I ain't an extra small. Then I looked at it again and I was like, it's that kind of dress, isn't it? Like a really stretchy and kind of one size fits all situation, and it does fit. So I just looked online actually this morning to see if there's any more of these in the sale online, because I love it, but ain't there. That's what I'm wearing here. And also this was from Primark. I live in a crocodile clip. I don't know whether that's just a mum thing or a summer thing, but I think I've had my hair in a crocodile clip now for approximately 1,000 days. Just easy, isn't it? God, my hair needs colouring so much. I was supposed to get it coloured Tuesday just gone, and it's been rescheduled to Tuesday coming, and every time I look in the mirror I'm like, roots for days. But anyway, the clip is great. So they had this cute gold one, which is just a bit different to your normal sort of just black or tortoiseshell that I normally wear. I thought, yeah, I'll buy that. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was, oh, here's the receipt, £2. Bargain. Also, speaking of hair accessories, picked these up. Now I was actually going to get, do you know those tiny little hairbands that are like plastic, little transparent things that you use if you're doing like French braids or something like that? I was going to get those, and then I saw these instead, and I thought actually these are better because these are reusable, and those little plastic transparent ones aren't reusable. Like once you've used them you can't really use them again. And yeah, there's a little hack that I saw on a reel on Instagram a while ago, a little hair hack that I want to try. I mean, I ain't gonna try it while I'm two-tone like this, but once I got my hair done I'm gonna try it, and I needed a little hairband. And yeah, you can get a whole pack of 60 mini elastic bands, reusable mini elastic bands for £1. So got those. Also got myself these. Now, fangirling here, but I'll assume the majority of you watching this watch Love Island. Probably the majority, not all of you, but don't worry. So Gemma on Love Island literally has the best sunglasses ever. I know what they are. I know that they're Ray-Bans. I know they cost an arm and a leg. And I've never trusted myself to buy designer sunglasses. Like, I just break every single pair of sunglasses that I own. I also have 2 kids who love to pick up my sunglasses and drop them. And yeah, never been brave enough to buy designer sunglasses. But I love hers so much. They're these giant oversized aviators. And I was like, I wonder if Primark will have any. I mean, they always have aviators, but I wonder if they'd have any like really oversized ones. Oh God, why do they always put this annoying label on the sunglasses you can never, ever get off? Now, these are definitely bigger than your average aviator, I would say. They're not quite like Gemma's, because Gemma's are like solid black with the black metal rim as well, and these have got the silver rim. So they're not 100% similar, but they were £1. Like, how? So obviously I just put them in and thought, well, I'll try them on at home and see what I think. I actually haven't tried them on yet, so should we try? I mean, I've got a lot of gold and there's a silver rim, so I don't know if that's going to work right now, but this thing is going to stick to my hair as well. I mean, they are not a million miles off. They don't look like they cost a couple of £100, but they also don't look like they cost £1. There you go. Now, also one reason I went into Primark, one thing that I wanted, as well as to see if they had any of those sunnies, was I wanted a pair of wedges. We are going on holiday in 5 weeks, I think. Nice long holiday, like 10-day holiday. And the last holiday that we went on, I didn't take any shoes for the evening, so I was just wearing flats like day and night. And I just thought, you know, on this one I really want to take a pair of wedges for the evening, just so I can feel a bit dressier and feel different to how I've been feeling all day. And wedges are like the only option. Like, I'm not going to be on a family holiday in like stiletto heels running around after the boys. But I thought, it's a long shot if they'll have a nice pair of wedges. I don't know. I wasn't expecting to find much. Yeah, I didn't have like crazy high hopes, but look. They do not look like Primark, and they were the last pair. Oh my God, guys. I don't know if you heard that, but the kitchen door just slammed because I've got like all the windows and doors open, obviously, because there's a heat wave. So the kitchen door just slammed. It's woken up Cooper. Please go back to sleep. He's trying to go back to sleep. Trevor's running as well. He's scared. He didn't know what that loud noise was. It's alright, Jimmy. Where was I? Wedges. Yeah. Look at these. I'm absolutely chuffed. Chuffed with these. £12 for a very attractive, very neutral, so we'll go with so much, pair of wedges in my size. So these puppies are gonna come on holiday with me. I'm really, really happy with them. They were my find of the day. Also got myself a new little underwear set. I don't know who needs to hear this, okay? If you haven't tried the ribbed wireless underwear sets in Primark, you need to. Honestly, since I started wearing these, I don't know, like a couple of years now probably, I haven't looked back. I have not worn a wire bra since wearing these. I mean, we all know the benefits of wireless bras, and yeah, I think I was like skeptical before. You just kind of think that you need wire, don't you, to hold them up and keep them where they need to be. Oh my gosh, the comfort level with these is insane, and they really, really keep everything where it needs to be. Like, I don't feel like they're, you know, oh my God, I just ran so fast because I thought the door was going to slam again. Sorry, that was a bit abrupt. But yeah, they hold everything where it needs to be. They keep you very safe and secure, and they're so, so comfy. And they are, oh my gosh, the price has come off. I think £5 there you go. I don't have them in this colour, this lovely plum colour, so I was excited to see this and put it in my basket straight away. Size wise, it's a bit tricky because they're not bra sizes. I wear small and my boobs are like a 34 CD, I think. I haven't had my boobs measured since I can remember, but I think that's what they are. And I'm like a size 10 and I wear a small. I don't know if that helps. Okay, I needed a new reed diffuser for the downstairs toilet. Exciting times, right? And I got this one because I couldn't believe it was £2.50. £2.50. Only thing is, there wasn't a tester, so I've taken a real risk. There was a few. I went for cashmere because I like the sound of it, I like the colour of the box, but I have no idea what it smells like. I mean, it's £2.50. It's cool. I'll take the risk. He has gone back to sleep, by the way. Such a good boy. Shall we see? Shall we see if I made a dire mistake? Should I have got, what was the other one I nearly got? Linen or something. I got cashmere. Let's see. Oh, I think it's okay. I mean, I'm not like blown away, but yeah, that will make the downstairs loo smell much better. Thanks to my 5-year-old, where it often smells like a urinal, if you know what I mean. Okay, I've got some stuff for the boys from Primark as well, so I will just quickly run through that because I know not all of you are interested in what I got for my boys, but I'll show you anyway. So Leo loves Jurassic World, very into Jurassic World, desperate to see Dominion, and they had loads of Jurassic World stuff in at the moment. I got him a 2-pack of Jurassic World pajamas. How much were they? For £10, so like £5 each. Short and t-shirts, so perfect for the summer. He hasn't seen these yet, so he's gonna flip when he sees these. Also the creme de la creme. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's absolutely ghastly, but he will freak out when he sees this. He also loves these funny like sequin things. He's got a few t-shirts like this and he loves them, and the fact that it's got, you know, Dominion on it, he will just be so excited. £6.50 for that little t-shirt. He is 5, but I got age 4 to 5 because he's a little dinky dot. I also got him 2 pairs of shorts. If you have a boy, look no further for shorts than Primark. Like, they're unbeatable, the denim shorts. They also always have an elasticated waist, which is just easier, isn't it? So I got the light blue. These are all size, yeah, 4 to 5 again for his little waist. I got the light blue. They were £5. And I got the slightly darker blue as well. Same size, again, £5. I also got both of them just a plain grey hoodie, because you cannot go wrong, can you? First of all, I picked it up for Leo. I saw it in his size and picked it up for him. Also, when we go on holiday, I don't know whether I'm crazy doing this, even when we go to like a hot country, we're going to Spain, I have to take like one hoodie jacket. Even though there's like a 99% chance that they won't wear them, I feel like I need to take one, just in case it was like cold on an evening or something. So I got this for Leo, just a really plain grey hoodie for £4.50. And the matching one, I love it when I find matching things, the matching one for Koopy Koop in, yeah, 12 to 18 months. His was only £3.80. He's so cute. It's gonna look so cute in that. Okay, so I've already showed you that I got this maxi dress from H&M, but I also got some cycling shorts. H&M cycling shorts are the one. They are great. And I was just gonna get plain black because my plain black ones have got a little hole in. But when I walked in, I saw they had these, and I'm gonna just do a close up so you can see. Can you see? They are ribbed, which I thought was a little bit different. So I got the ribbed cycling shorts. I got them in a small because I thought they're nice and stretchy, and they were £9.99. Nothing see-through about these. It's always a risk with cycling shorts, isn't it? I can assure you they're not see-through. Neither are these. I also got grey. I've just realised I got medium because I didn't want them too tight. Now I'm holding up medium and wondering if I should have got small. You just can't win, can you? I'll keep the receipt for those and try those on because I'm not sure. But I also just got grey, just a plain jersey grey pair. They were only £6.99. I will try those on though because, yeah, I'm not sure. I will try them on. Keep the receipt with them just in case. But yeah, there you go, guys. That is what I found in Primark and H&M on my little trip yesterday. Thank goodness he's gone back to sleep. Close call. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said at the beginning, don't forget to subscribe before you go. It would just mean so much to me. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.